Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. My name is Simranjit Kaur and I will be your speaking examiner today.
तो इस तरह से आईडीपी के कंप्यूटर डिलीवर्ड आईएलटीएस एग्जाम में स्पीकिंग हो रही है। ये स्पीकिंग वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू होती है और आईडीपी के कंप्यूटर डिलीवर्ड एग्जाम 15 जून से चंडीगढ़ में और इंडिया के और सेंटर्स में भी हो रहे हैं। इसका सबूत मुझे एक मेल में मिला है जो आईडीपी की तरफ से मुझे आई है। प्लस आपको इस वीडियो में ये सीखने को मिलेगा कि ये जो वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू स्पीकिंग हो रही है इसमें आपको माइक कैसे प्लेस करना है, इसमें आपको हेडफोन्स कैसे पहनने हैं और आपको वेबकैम में दूसरा बंदा कैसे दिखाई देगा और उससे आप कैसे कन्वर्सेशन करोगे। इसके अलावा आईएलटीएस में नवमलिका ने ऑलरेडी 8.5 बैंड स्कोर किए हुए हैं स्पीकिंग सेक्शन में, तो उसकी स्पीकिंग को सुन के आपको काफी आइडियाज आएंगे या फिर कुछ लर्निंग मिलेगी। तो इस वीडियो को देखते रहिए।
Are you carrying your identity proof?
Yes, here it is.
Please keep it on the table.
All right, thank you.
Are you comfortable?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now shall we start?
Yes, please.
Okay, may I know your full name please?
My full name is Navmalika Sidhu.
Okay, how may I address you?
You can address me as Malika.
Okay, where are you coming from today?
Well, today I'm coming from my hometown Patiala, which is also known as the Royal City, and it falls in the northern part of India.
Okay, Navmalika, what are the major tourist attractions in your hometown?
The city of Patiala offers its tourists major tourist attractions ranging from old forts such as Qila Mubarak and Sheesh Mahal
Okay.
to religious places such as Gurudwara Shri Dutt Nivaran Sahib.
Okay, is there anything you dislike about your hometown?
There's not anything that I really dislike, but I would say it's more of a drawback of such a small city such as Patiala, is that it does not offer a lot of employment opportunities, especially for the field of arts.
Okay. Navmalika, now moving on to talking about your career choice. Are you currently studying or working?
Currently, I'm working as an English instructor at an IELTS institute called C2 in Patiala.
What are the major roles and responsibilities at your current workplace?
My responsibilities include helping and guiding students to achieve their desired results in English proficiency tests such as IELTS, so as to help them for their higher studies or migration to different countries.
Okay, do you like your job?
Yes, definitely, I love my job. I've been working here for the past 4 months and I've loved every bit of it.
Okay. Now my last question is, why did you choose this type of profession?
Well, I consider teaching a very noble profession, and if I can help people in any way to achieve their dreams, I would like to play my part in it.
Okay, that is the end of your speaking part 1. Now moving to the cue card. Your cue card will be shown on your screen. You will have 1 minute to think and 2 minutes to speak. Here is your cue card.
Okay, I consider myself a fairly social person. So I've been around people a lot, but there have not been many instances when I have been bored. Though today I would like to talk about this one time that I was around people and I was really bored. This was about 4 years ago when I was pursuing my bachelor's in Delhi. I was fairly new to the city and had just about started forming new friendships. So one of these new friends invited me to her cousin's birthday party. I was a bit reluctant to accept the invitation, but she insisted and I definitely could not refuse. After arriving at the party though, I realized that it was quite a grand celebration. So I met up with my friend and she was excited to introduce me to everyone. As the party started progressing, she became busy with the activities at the party and I started to get really bored, as of course I did not know anyone else that well. The whole night after this, I spent the entire party just sitting at a table waiting for her to come back, and it was utterly tiresome. At the end of the night, when I was about to leave, I met up with my friend. I also told her about my experience, so I was honest about that. I also did mention about my experience that I was bored, but she was quite nice about the whole thing. She understood and we even had a laugh about it. The funny thing is that this incident sort of strengthened our friendship really well, and in fact we are friends till date. Though definitely this was quite a tedious experience that I would not want to relive again, but I'm also delighted that I haven't had such an experience since then.
Okay, that's really good. Now I'm going to ask you some follow-up questions about the same topic. Okay, now moving to the first question, what kind of jobs are boring?
Well, according to me, the jobs that do not offer anything new or challenging to their employees, and the employees are usually involved in quite a lot of repetitive work, can be deemed as boring.
Okay. Do people get bored easily? Why?
As I earlier mentioned, that a lot of people tend to get bored easily during when we are working is when the routine gets quite monotonous. Apart from this, people also get bored when they're just sitting idle and things can seem pretty dull.
Fine. What can people do to stop feeling bored?
Firstly, to avoid getting bored at work, people can take up the jobs that interest and excite them. Secondly, people can take short refreshment breaks at work so that they don't end up feeling tired or lethargic. And thirdly, people can get themselves involved in activities that interest them rather than sitting idle.
Do you think the boring jobs will be done by machines in the future?
Definitely yes. I think most of the monotonous work will be done by machines, as there is not much thinking involved, so these tasks can be attempted by machines quite easily, whereas the manual labor can be utilized to do more extensive tasks that require technical skills or ideation.
Moving to the next question, why do people do boring jobs?
In my perspective, people that do boring jobs are usually doing it to sustain their livelihoods or meet their daily needs. The money can be a major incentive for people continuing with their colorless jobs.
Okay. Can technology make life more interesting?
Yes, definitely. Technology has made our lives interesting. The invention of smartphones equipped with social media applications has made it really easier to connect with people from all over the world while sitting in the comfort of your home. It also happens with a swipe or touch of a button, making it an interesting invention.
Okay, your last question is, do you think technology is making people's life easier?
Yes, I would like to definitely think that technology can be used to reduce the burden from people, especially working tedious jobs, as then the manual labor can be used for more productive work. The work that is usually done by manual labor in a week can be completed by machines in a day or two.
Okay, that is the end of your speaking session. Thank you.
तो क्या आपने नोटिस किया कि कितनी नेचुरल वे में नवमलिका अपनी स्पीकिंग दे रही थी? इसी तरह से आपको अपना कॉन्फिडेंस शो करना है। अब कुछ स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो स्पीकिंग स्टार्ट होने से ही पहले अपना कॉन्फिडेंस लूज कर चुके होते हैं, और दूसरे स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो इंटरव्यूअर को इंप्रेस करने पे लगे होते हैं, नए नए वर्ड्स ढूंढने पे, लेकिन वो सही से कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पाते। तो आपको अपना मैसेज क्लियरली रखना है, और अगर वो आप रख पा रहे हैं तो आपका अच्छा स्कोर आएगा। इसी तरह से नवमलिका की जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन पे कमांड है वो भी एक कारण है कि उसके 8.5 स्कोर आए हैं। अगर आपको हमारी इस तरह की और वीडियोस देखनी है स्पीकिंग पे, तो प्लीज हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, और अगर आपको आइल्स में कोई हेल्प की जरूरत है तो आप हमें हमारी ईमेल आईडी पे कांटेक्ट कीजिए।